Subscribe to Diazonic Labs and click on bell icon to get latest updates. Hey, what's up guys? This is Aziz from Diazonic Labs and today we'll be focusing on how to create a signature in our Gmail. Okay, so let's quickly get into it. I'm gonna launch the Gmail page. I'm gonna logging in using my personal account. Let me enter the password, sign in, wait for it to load. Da-da-da. Loading. Okay, this is my cool looking Gmail page. Let's click on the gear icon here. So once the Gmail is launched, this is the gear icon in the top right corner. Let's click on settings. Let's wait for it to load. It's loading up. Now let's scroll down here. Let's not go to any other tabs. Just click on general. Or general will be the one which is on default. Let's scroll down. Let me remove the signature and show you how to create it. So this is how you would see and there is no signature created. Let's click on create new. Let's type in the name. I'm just going to type my company name here. And in here, we will be able to type. Let me make my signature a little official. Thanks and regards. Regards, okay. And let me type in my name and my company name. Let me capitalize this. I'd want these two to be in bold, so let me click on the bold icon. I would want my name to be a little different font. No, that's not good. Let's check. Yeah, it seems pretty okay to me. Let me make it large. I'll remove bold from both of this. Yeah. Yeah, you can customize the way you want. You get the gist of it. Yep. So this will be my signature. We have a lot of other things which we can do. We can give it some text color. I'm just gonna give it some cool color. Let's see if this works. It's now barely visible. So I'm gonna change. Let me give it grayish. Okay, for now to serve the purpose that we can change, let me just make it this. We have a lot of other things. If we want, we can add a link. So some people would like to promote the company website. So if you have a company website, you can just click on this, type in a link, the text, and the link to display. You can add it. I'm not going to do that. If you want, you can also add the email address as a hyperlink. So when you click on it, their automatic mailbox would be launched with the new email. So we could also add pictures. So when I click on insert image, you could load in your logo, or if you want your picture, you could do so. A lot of other things. You can write other things. You can write a code. All these things you can set in a signature. Okay, once this is done, it will automatically just save it. But to enable to use, we need to change the signature defaults. Okay, we will have to use the signature for this for new email use and on reply if we want it on reply or forward. Okay, generally, most people would just prefer having it for both, but a few people would like it on the new emails only. So either way, the way you want the settings, we can change it. And this is something which is of a cool feature here. We will insert signature before quote in replies. Okay, this is something which removes that annoying the line thing. Okay, I would really like this option. Let's keep it. Let me save the changes. Let's wait for it to save. Okay, now let's test it out. I'm just gonna hit on compose and let's check. There we have the cool signature here. Great. Okay, so I'm not gonna send the email just to show you. So let's open up a random email to check if it's been happening on reply. Let me click on reply and there we go. We have the signature automatically coming up in the reply. Let's also check if we can get this on a forward. Yes, we get it on a forward as well, forwarded message, and you have your signature here. So that's really cool. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day ahead. Bye. Please do like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials.